Okay, welcome everyone who managed to join the meeting. I'm going to record the session. The reason being is because other teachers, they experience load shedding. They do a network problem, so you can catch up. If you experience any kind of problem, network problem, you can catch up after the lesson. Okay. Right, welcome everyone who just joined us for our session today. Can you all see the slide? I'm sharing the slide.
Yes, we can.
You can see the video conferencing session 5. You all?
Yes, ma'am, we can.
Okay, thank you. I'm going to go to the next one so that you can see what we can do. Right, our agenda of today, we're going to look at VC rules. We all know what VC stands for: video conferencing rules, and BOR, community agreements, right? Team dynamic and best practice, different activities in BOR, update on COELT training. We are going to just do all the agenda. Right. Let's take a rule to check there on our rules, BOR rules, right? We need to stay engaged all the time. You must be involved in all activities. Speak the truth all the time and avoid disagreement. You must always stick to the facts. That's our rule number 2. Rule number 3, learn through your mistake. You can change your mind if you want. We all learn through our mistake. Then our rule number 4. Our rule number 4, you are allowed to disagree because it can be a valuable, to have a disagreement is allowed in a group discussion, right? You can, stick to your disagreement if you feel like that, but remember, it must not be personal. Your disagreement must not be personal. Also, and we go on and check the last rule: step up, step back as needed. And let's go to another slide. As you can see here, we have developing a team dynamic. What makes an effective team? What makes a team to be effective? We are going to focus on this very important team development. Number 1, clear goals. It is a goal-setting method that stands out among all the others. It can be a specific achievement. And we go to number 2, communication. It simple means sending or receiving information. We use that through what? Letter or phone calls, WhatsApp, also through Zoom. We are using a way of communication right now. And we go to number 3, leadership. Leadership, the action of leading a group of people or any organization. Then we go to the last one, negotiation skill, with discussion that lead to an agreement. It can be any discussion that lead to agreement. As you can see here, we have a graph which shows the forming, storming, and norming, and also performing. Also, it shows the time, which is very important to have these particular skills in your team or in a BOR group. Right. And here's the slide. So you make sure the individual knows what to do in the group task. So you must know, and also you must know the different strategies that you are supposed to present or to give a feedback in the main group, right? And then here's the breakout rooms. We use different levels, right? A preference also, we know that in our group, someone that we can put as our spokesperson, that someone who can give a full feedback in the main group, right? So we can do a lot of activities using a breakout rooms. So you can also write ideas also using chat box.
Hi.
Hi. Hello, ma'am.
Sorry, ma'am. Sorry for interrupting.
Oh, okay. I thought someone want to say something. Okay. Here our breakout rooms activities. We can use breakout rooms to do a lot of activities, a debate, all the activities that you see in the screen can be used in a BOR to what you call. We can use it, and also we don't forget that when we're doing BOR, you must not forget to give a feedback to the main main group. Okay. As you can see, rehearsal, task repetition, task division, peer feedback, homework check, all these activities can be done through BOR. Right. Okay. I hope you can see this one. It's our first activity, which you can use what you call, just to answer the what you call the questions here. You see the monster, the picture of the monster here. What kind of a monster is this? What do you think a kitten is dreaming of? What is the monster going to do? What do you think will happen next? So here, the activity is focusing on prediction. You must predict, right? So this one, can you please take what you call question about this slides, so that when I group you to the what you call to the BOR, it's going to be easier for you to understand the first activity, because we're all going to do this activity of prediction. Then you have to come back to the main group and report and give a feedback what you're thinking about as a whole group. If you have any answer, you can also, don't forget to write what you call your name for the register papers. Please write on the checkbox your name. Right, let's see. Sorry, I'm not sure whether you finished with the first activity. This now is going very fast. Let me go back. Okay. Our first activity, prediction. where you're going to predict as a group, which I'm going to group you once I finish with the explanation of all these activities. Right. Activity number 2, brainstorming. Right. Here they just say as a pair. So I would like this activity to like, I would like to assign you as a group, not as pair, right? If you can do this number 2 activity, just do it as in your group to answer these questions about imagine that you were invited your 2 best friends to the dinner to tell something really important. What is it? How will it affect them? Why are you doing it? Or going somewhere? Is it good news or bad news? So here you're going to focus on brainstorming. And then we go to this one, story making. I think it's going to take a lot of time. So I'm going to give you, I don't know whether it's going to be enough, 10 minutes. If it is going to be enough, just to arrange or to try and be quick as you can to answer the questions for all the activities. If you can assign someone or anyone in your group can screenshot it, because it's going to take forever to write each and every detail, just to write maybe the question. Okay. And we go to, okay, let me just take the 2 activities because I'm not sure how long it's going to take. Let me just take the first 2 activities. Each group, because I'm going to create 2 groups, right? Each group is going to do the prediction activity and brainstorming activity. Then we'll see if you have time left, you can do the other activities that are left. Thank you. Are we all together? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So now,
Yes, ma'am. Yes, I hear you.
Okay. Now I'm assigning you to the group. So I hope you were able to grab some questions. Okay. You're going to the breakout rooms